Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can apply a credit to an invoice in Sage Intacct. So let's get started. To apply a credit to an invoice in Sage Intacct, start by going to Accounts Receivable, then All, and open Invoices. Next, select Add next to Receive Payments, New. If you're receiving a payment along with applying a credit, enter the payment amount. If you're only applying a credit, make sure the payment amount is set to 0.00. Now select the customer and click Show Invoices. Choose the invoice or invoices you want to apply the credit to, then select Add and Close. You can apply an advance across multiple invoices, apply a credit to a single invoice, or even apply it to a specific line item, depending on your needs. Before finishing, review or update any payment details or posting information if necessary. Once everything looks correct, click Post to complete the process. After the credit has been applied, you can open the adjustment record and select View Details in the Summary section to review the posting information. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.